From concept to design to production, we can help you realize your dream in the most luxurious way. Using locally sourced pine timbers, we machine cut our logs and hand fit all of our dovetail corners to ensure the best possible fit and seal between logs. Channels for the electrical wires are pre-drilled in each row, and later the recesses for the outlet and switch boxes are cut into the log walls. We use a double row of expanding M-seal on the 2 machine tongues between each row of logs, and the logs are then secured using a lag and tensioning spring system. Expanding foam is then injected at each butt joint to ensure a weather-tight seal. We use a double spline jamb for the doors and windows to allow the logs to shrink and move without affecting the doors and windows, while maintaining a weather-tight seal. Our timber roof trusses are hand-built, and with the use of our in-house prefabricated roof panel system, we are able to spray foam insulate the roof, leaving a beautifully exposed tongue and groove on timber interior and a perfect seal against the elements. We've now made a custom-built and portable log cabin. At 14 feet by 40 feet, giving a 560 square foot living space with a covered front and rear deck, this cabin is ready for a new home. Whether it's a vacation cottage, a hunting cabin, a rental unit or retirement home, or even a secondary residence, it is waiting to go to a property near you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and join us for the full build of our portable cabin coming soon, and the finishing of the interior. We'll share other projects as we build, and please visit us at Logxurioushomes.com for more information and ideas for your next big build.